Nanubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Balibago Angeles City, particularly Gueco Street. Mga few steps lang from the kanto ng Mountain View, and then you're gonna arrive with Kimchi with Love. So literal guys, this is a Korean street food. So we're gonna check them out. Tignan natin kung anong mga sinoserve nila dito. Kung tutuusin, para siyang Toto Bits, literal na Toto Bits. This time, instead of fishball, kikiam, or chicken balls, ang tinitinda nila dito are Korean street food. Take a look at them, guys. As soon as you come here, they will get your orders. Per piece tayo dito. Tama po ba? Per piece tayo. Each item has different price. Ayan, so mamaya isa-isahin natin yan. And then, pagkatapos nun, if you want to reheat them, so pwede naman dito. Gusto mo na sa bahay na lang, okay lang naman din yon. Nire-reheat nila dito. And then ayan. This is not the normal setup. Hindi naman po talaga ganito. But for us guys, I mean, para sa atin, ayan. Dahil sa atin guys, so pin-prepare nila yung table na to for us to try. Nga pala, so katabi ng Kimchi with Love is Mida's Special Bibingka. Ayan, they have been in the industry for more than 15 years. First branch nila is in Porac. And then this time, meron po silang branch dito sa Balibago. All year round, available po yung ano nila dito, mga bibingka nila. Sa mga, kumbaga retang mamita. So, ayan guys, oh. Diba? Literal na street food.
Hi guys.
Hello po, hello po. Kapalan niya po Mixstart Kimchi with Love.
Kimchi with Love started last March po. And
Okay.
then we started as an online store. But then our customers wanted to have a physical store. Kaya for them, kinreate namin itong store.
Oo. O ita, so nanong suserve tamo po? Nanong suserve tamo, Kenny?
Typical Korean street food po.
Okay.
Kimari.
Kimari.
Apo.
Ayan.
Made up of japchae po siya yung sa loob niya.
Yes. Okay.
Tapos, we have kimbap din po. Crab sticks.
Crab sticks.
Crab sticks.
Ayan. Ayan.
Kimchi mandu.
Kimchi mandu.
Yes po.
Balang po yung panada yan eh.
Apo. Tapos itong mga vegetable po namin. Parang vegetable din po. Pero typical sa Korea is yache tikim.
Yache, okay.
Tofu. Dugu. Dugu sa Korea.
Okay.
And then, quail egg po.
Quail eggs?
Yes po.
Oh.
We have shrimp din po.
Shrimp, okay.
This for only 15 pesos.
Okay.
Po. And then, yung mga fried, just for 10 pesos. Po.
So lahat dito 10 pesos, ito naman 15 pesos
Yes, yes.
per stick.
Yes po.
Ini 15 pesos siya kanina?
Yes.
Oh, mura yan po ah. Okay, and then syempre, mauso na lang po rin corn dogs. Ne?
Opo. Paubos na po.
Paubos na ba? Ayan. So how many flavors do we have for the corn dogs, ma'am?
We have 5 po. 5 flavors po.
Okay. So available lang naman for takeouts din at tika-rening packaging, ne?
Yes po. Lahat po nito ginagawa po namin handmade po. Wala pong ano,
Yes.
frozen or
Yes.
kami po lahat.
Alright.
And
Even kimchi,
Yes.
tayo gumagawa? Alright. Okay, thank you. Again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thank you so much Kimchi with Love for setting this up, no? Sabi ko nga dun sa ano natin, this is not their usual setup kapag bumibili yung mga customers natin dito, but they were kind enough for us to set up this table and pakita sa inyo guys kung ano talaga yung mga sinoserve nila dito. So meron tayong dalawang section. So this is their Kimchi with Love. Ito naman section na to is for the bibingka natin. Later on, syempre titikman din natin yan. One by one, ayan, pakita natin yung mga products nila dito. Gimmari, ayan, gimmari. So this is gematsal, kumbaga crab sticks. Ayan. So this is saeu. Naks na yung mga BTS fanatics, mga K-pop fanatics for sure. Makaka-relate sila dito, no? So this one's a shrimp naman. This one is a mix of vegetables. They call it yache. Ayan, yache. Meron din tayong mandu. This one is interesting. Later on, tikman natin yan. Of course, meron tayong fried kimbap. Ayan. This one is, sa atin, version natin dito, kwek-kwek. Mechurial. And then with dobu. This one is tofu naman. Corn dogs, meron tayong 5 flavors. Ooh, what is this? This is it. Tingnan mo naman. That's so oozing with sauce. Okay, for their corn dogs, meron tayong 5 flavors. So meron tayong special moza. Ba't kayong kilog moza? Mozzarella.
Half sausage, half mozzarella.
Alright. Grabe. Special moza. So yung outer coating natin, it has sweet kamote. Meron din tayong combi. So si combi naman is so sausage with mozzarella din. Meron tayong potato. I think this is a counterpart for the sweet potato, potato. Meron din tayong moza. Almost the same. Yan. And then the classic. Tikman na natin guys habang mainit pa. So this one's potato. On a regular serving, this is how it looks like. So pag isa-serve sa inyo, it's up to you guys, preference nyo kung anong sauce yung gusto nyo. You want it, plain, literal na literal guys. You're gonna be eating in the streets. Korean street food to di ba? So let's try this one. Yan, so this one's their dobu. That one's hot. Isa-usaw natin siya. Talagang paliguan natin yung natin. Dobu. Imagine guys, this is just 15 pesos. Let's try the kimbap. Look at that. Try pa rin natin dito sa fried kimbap natin, doon sa tteokbokki. Look at that. Mga kakanin pang Pasko, so available po sila sa, dito special bibingka. So sa pinagmamalaki nila dito sa Kimchi with Love, lahat ng mga pagkain natin dito are made from scratch. So they don't, like for example, they don't order this kimchi as is. So sila po mismo yung gumagawa ng mga ingredients natin dito. Wow. So more on their street food. This one is called mandu. This one's called mandu. Okay. So meron siyang parang glass noodles inside plus para mashed tofu, para siyang ganun. Para siyang mga mashed tofu. Ayan. Kimchi, yeah. Okay. So first off, let's dip it here. Isa sa mga must try na street food you gotta try here is yung busan omuk. Ayan. So actually it's a soup base street food, soup base siya. And then this one is fish cake. And then meron siyang fish cake. Grabe, sobrang dami. Siguro mas masaya dito when you come with your friends, experience how is it being in Korea, eating the street food of Korea. So yung mga pagkain natin dito available via order. So make sure to check out their fan page on how you can order online, delivery and meet up. So you can transact po dun sa fan page nila. Order number we're gonna be providing below. Available din naman yung walk-ins. Yan, so available naman yung walk-ins when you go here. You're ordering through their cart. You can smell the other food. You can hear yung mga cars, mga motorcycles na dumadaan, so added sa experience natin yon. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Experience Korean street food dito po sa Kimchi with Love. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out guys. Bye!